Now let's get into the Intense 5. The director of the Black Panther movie was arrested recently in Atlanta after a bank teller thought he was a robber. Apparently, he pushed a note across to the teller, telling her he wanted to withdraw some money from his account, but to make it discreet. The teller thought she was being robbed and called the police. He was arrested along with his friends who were waiting on him outside. They were eventually freed and the bank apologized.
Oh my goodness.
No, sir.
So, after an altercation with prison guards that ended up with him in hospital, Tommy Lee has been transferred from GP to another facility. His lawyer says he's in good spirits.
All right. Jack Ure could know his fate on March 22. The entertainer is facing charges of aggravated assault, attempted manslaughter, and attempted murder in relation to a stabbing incident in the Netherlands last year. He's facing up to 8 years.
Wow. Big money popping. Yeah, it looks like Jamaica will be getting some new banknotes, including a $2,000 one with political rivals Michael Manley and Edward Seaga. Oh, wow.
Interesting. And finally, holding the spot this week. If the finance minister wants Keisha to have her cooler party, then Keisha should have her cooler party. In his budget speech, he recommended that the entertainment sector be officially opened.
Desmond, wedding no roll out yet? No, Prime Minister, I know that you're working on something for the entertainment sector, but don't take too long, PM. Keisha, get her partner draw. Keisha, borrow a igloo. Buy some ice and put some lick on top of the igloo. Is Keisha weekend dinner that? And so when Brogard busts all them people there, is that time you're gonna see economic recovery?
I'm sure lots of Keishas were happy to hear that. That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Remember to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense.